Hey dreamers, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig and also do a quick little review on how I like this wig and how it's treated me and all of that. And trust me, I have a lot of feedback because I actually have 3 of these wigs. I bought them all at the same time in hopes that one of them would get to my house in time for my trip to Miami, and all 3 of them actually got to my house the same day. So I did wear, not this exact one, the one that I wore to Miami, I already cut super short, but I did reinstall, I installed the second one today, and this is it after a little bit of tweaking and after the install. But so this is the Stylist HD lace front wig, loose curl, 13x6, deep transparent lace frontal. It's called, and the style is Nisha, and it says it's a human hair master blend, Swiss lace, 26 inches, yeah, all of that. So whatever you took from that title, yes, it's like 26 inches, and it just has this, it's blonde, it's brown, it's dark brown, it's honey blonde. There's just so many colors in this. It's insane. But I really like how it's got this kind of like that skunk little stripe in the front. So I did love this color, and the quality of the hair is really nice too. It's so soft and it looks like human hair, and it really does last you if you take a good care of it. But you guys know I'm kind of infamous for putting my wigs through the ringer. Let's just say hopefully this time I don't do that, but I already have another one, so I get a little rough. But anyways, there is a little bit of shedding, but I mean, you can expect that from any wig. I would get it in other colors. I would get it in plain black. I would try the red. I would try any of these. Oh yeah, on Amazon it's unavailable. But yeah, if you guys are interested to see how I styled this wig and installed it, then just keep on watching. Bye. up and try and finish up this video while we still have daylight, but I didn't record me putting this 6% bonnet on, but you see what we're working with here. Tie it down. This is giving 90s, like early 2000s with the colors, but it's also giving like My Little Pony with the curls. So I personally, let's show you guys how long it is. Oh wait, I have to put some pants on. Okay, so here's how long it is. And I just feel like the curls make it look super wiggy, especially with how many colors are in this wig. I just think it would blend a lot better, and did blend a lot better because I bought this exact wig. I have 3 of them, and the first time I wore it was in Miami, and I just felt like when it was just, I don't have to take all of the curls out, because as time goes on, you know, I'll keep straightening it out. I don't have to get them all out right now, but definitely brushed out and definitely run a flat iron through it. But you can see how the straighter it gets, or the less huge those curls are, how the colors blend better. But when you don't brush it every 5 seconds, it just goes back to being super bouncy curls. So that's why you have to run a straightener through it. But I really love the edges, the baby hairs, the lace is soft, like, look at that. So I'm loving that. Oops. Okay. So, yeah. Love how this looks right here.